Welcome to the world of modern woodworking technology. Today, we are exploring the amazing CNC machine and how it has changed the woodworking and manufacturing industry. CNC stands for Computer Numerical Control. It is a smart machine controlled by a computer program that performs cutting, carving, drilling, and shaping with incredible precision. Instead of manual work, the machine follows digital instructions to complete every task automatically. The process begins with a computer design. Designers create a digital model using CAD software. After the design is complete, the file is converted into G-code, which tells the CNC machine exactly where to move and how to cut the material. Once the machine starts working, the cutting tool moves in different directions with perfect accuracy. It can cut wood, plastic, acrylic, aluminum, and many other materials. In woodworking factories, CNC machines are commonly used to make furniture, cabinets, wooden doors, decorative panels, and custom designs. One of the greatest advantages of a CNC machine is precision. Every cut is clean, smooth, and accurate. Even complex patterns and detailed carvings can be created easily. The machine can also repeat the same design hundreds of times without losing quality. Another major benefit is speed. A task that may take hours by hand can be completed in just a few minutes using CNC technology. This increases production and saves both time and labor costs. CNC machines also improve workplace safety. Since most of the work is controlled by a computer, operators do not need to stay close to sharp cutting tools during operation. This reduces the chance of accidents. There are different types of CNC machines available today, including CNC routers, CNC milling machines, laser cutting machines, and plasma cutting machines. Each type is designed for specific industrial and woodworking applications.